Hi guys, I just received my Boxycharm last week and I just wanted to show you what I received. This box is for December 2020 and I have taken items out of the box. So let's get started and let's show you the card that I received. It says, oh, this is so pretty. It says Boxycharm, Bubbles, and Glitz. And on the back side, it just has like the list of the items that I received. And it gives you the prices. Also the description of the product. So yeah. And again, this is what the card looks like in the front. So pretty. And I pay $25 for this Boxycharm. And I like what I received this time around. So I always like what I receive because Boxycharm always gives good products for me. So I haven't been with them long, but I do like the products. So let me just start by showing you the first product that I received, and this is it. I love this. So pretty. It looks like little lights. They did a good job. It says Iconic London, and it says Blazing Chaser Face Palette. Okay, and it says here it's for all skin tones, and the palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing and adds natural looking warm and define. Oh, definition, I'm saying define. That's what happens when you don't have your glasses on. Um, it has blush shades that lift the face and give you the most um, and it says here within glow, I'm just reading parts of it: highlight shades, flattering radiance. And this product is um, $55 for this. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Now let me just show you what it looks like inside. And it comes with a mirror, but I'm not showing a mirror. I'm just going to show you the shades. And these are them. Very nice. They said you could use it for your face, for sculpting, and blush, and all sorts of things. So this is nice and for all faces, shades of the skin. And again, this is what it looks like. Then the next item that I received, which I thought was very shocking, and it's certain, and it's a beauty. It says here beauty 9mm 0.75 mini curling iron with cool. It says ceramic with cool tips, compact and safe. and I was shocked by it. And it comes in the color lavender. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you it now. And it's a curling iron. I received the curling iron. I was shocked by this. And this is what this looks like. I think I better put it like this, because if I put it like that, it's going to fall over. So yeah, I received that. And for that curling iron, it's $49.99. Then I like the packaging, so I'm liking the packaging. So I'm going to show you the packaging. And this is Tarte Maneater Mascara. And this is what it looks like on the eyes, lashes. And this is by Tarte, like I said again. And here it is. Here's the product. And this costs $23. Then the next item, which I'm very shocked by, I'm just going to show you what it is, because I'm shocked that I received something by MAC. It's a matte lipstick. And the color is Russian red. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to put it on my hand and show you what it looks like, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on there. So this is the color. Sorry for the camera shaking, because I just touched it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And here it is on my hand. I like the color. Very nice color. And it is, for this lipstick, it's $19. And then my last and final item is Alamar Cosmetics. And it says here it's a primer. Sorry about the birds in the background. It says it's a primer, long-wearing, sticky pigment base. It says a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in its place and maximize color and pearl dimensions. It's water and wear resistant, enriched with shea butter to provide skin condition and moisture benefits. And it says here it also works as a glitter glue. Mix with your favorite concealer to custom the primer shade. Wow, this is nice. And this is what it looks like. It says Primero primer. And this product is $15. Sorry about the nails, but yeah. So, yeah, these are all the items. That I received in my... Oh, sorry about that. That I received in my Boxycharm. And, yeah, like I said, I paid $25 for this. And I also put the price in the description. So, please like or subscribe to my videos. And I just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye. 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 If it ever turn off,